Yep, no stress. Yep, you're good.
Beautiful. Kind of shaky. Well, it's 10:35. Things are starting out pretty good. Look at that vegetable line. They're wide open over that place. We've got 10:35. We've already done over 30. So it's 9. It's been busy as crap. I'm coming. More vegetables. The donut truck is not here, so you don't have. We do have somebody selling little donuts, but not that knockout donut guy. Stand by.
But I have a hard time trusting it. And sometimes a big
Well, we got about a half hour to go. We'll start down here at the end. We ain't going to the other end.
What is it? No excuse.
All right, let's go.
Man, is that all the corns left?
That's it.
I'm glad I got mine when I did. Right, Figgy?
Yes.
We had a really good morning. It's been slow the last half hour, 40 minutes, but we might even have a ripper. I'm not sure. We're damn close if we don't have it. They're still busy though. Look at them down there. Oh my God. Nitro. I mean, 3 pills. Or something similar.